Hello. This presentation will walk you through making your infographic. Okay, so these are the questions you're going to use. The questions are provided there, so you draw your data from this question, but I've provided the answers to the data. Okay, so for you, Mark used 3 out of 6 coins in his possession. How many is he left with? He's left with 3. Kate is mom gave her 2 to the 3 to additional 2 she has, so she has 5. And James has 2 coin in his money bank, and then if he had if he includes 6 more, that give him 8. So this means Mark has 3, Kate has 5, and James 8. So then in the whole coin there'll be 16 coins in total. That's why you're seeing 16 here. So you're going to use this data to create a pictography. Okay, so you're going to show the percentage of the coins that each of them have, and you will show who has the highest. Okay, so in doing this, you're going to do this yourself, but I've given you the data to use. So I use a similar data to create the pictography. So let's go to my pictography. For yours, you can use the coins on your table and the paper, okay, to write out the data, or you use the pizza, your pizza page, just like you have mine here. You can use it. So this pizza, it's a representation of the coins on. You don't have to do all of this, okay, that each of them, each person has. So I've used on a different data, similar data, like this is my data. For me, Kate has 2 out of 6 coins. So for me, Kate has 4, Mary has 2 left. You have access to this material already, and John has 3, Ben has 5. So for me, I have 4 persons. In your case, you have 3 persons to work with, but it's just the data that is different. It's the same format. So there are 14 coins in total in mine. Okay, so right now you can create the graphic. Okay, right now graphical representation. So this is my graphical representation. I plug the data into a table, and then I created a graphic to show the percentage. So you can see Kate has 29, and Ben, which is yellow, has 36. Okay, so you're going to create a graphic like this, and you need to go to tools. In tools, you find charts, and I'm using picture charts. That's what you're going to use. So you find charts, and once you find chart, you plug in the data, okay, for each of them. For Kate, whatever, Kate, for Mary, for each persons in your question. Okay, so for Mary now you plug 3, Kate you plug 5. Okay, so you're going to do Mary, you're going to put 3 here, remove this, and Kate is 5 and James is 8. Okay, so you do Kate, you put 5, you're going to put 5 here, and for James is 8. Okay, so you're going to put James here, and you put 8, and remember to title it. So you can give it any title. You can name it person, but I'll leave it like this now, person. And you can name these coins. Okay, and then right now it's showing you the percentage already. Okay, so you can add dot to it, you can add area, you can do bar chart, and you insert your chart. Okay, I'm going to cancel, and this is my chart. I'm going to expect you as well to use the coin we already have in the intranet, okay, to show graphical representation, pictorial representation like this, so you can have a proper infograph. Okay, in my question, like I showed you below, I already show you that Kate has 4, Mary has 2, John 3, and Ben 2. That's what I've represented here, looking at the data at a glance without you seeing the question or the text of the data I use. You can see Kate is 4, Mary is 2, John is 3, Ben is 5. It's total of 14. And in order to show the pie chart, you can see the pie chart here, and here is my bar chart. Another tool you can use is Excel. Okay, you can plug the data into Excel as well, or you create a table. We've completed lesson on Excel, so you can use your Excel as well. And then all you have to do is to go to insert and insert the chart. Okay, so I will strongly recommend you use the pictography, okay, because that's easier for you. Feel free to ask any questions. Bye.